When you wake up and notice things aren't standing at attention like they used to, it stings. It's not just physical, it's that quiet thought. Is this the new normal? But here's the truth. You're not broken. Your body just needs support it didn't at 30. Slower circulation, hormone shifts, and years of inflammation add up. The good news? They're fixable. And a spoonful of natural oils before bed might be the missing link. Section 1. Castor oil. Castor oil may seem unusual, but men have relied on it for centuries. Its power comes from ricinoleic acid, a compound with deep anti-inflammatory effects. A small dose, just half a teaspoon before bed, doesn't send you running to the bathroom. Instead, it eases pelvic inflammation, improves lymphatic drainage, and boosts circulation in the very region where you need it most. Less congestion, more flow, stronger mornings. Section 2. Olive oil. Olive oil is more than a kitchen staple. It's a hormone booster. Packed with healthy fats, it fuels testosterone production and shields it from breaking down. Studies show regular olive oil users had up to 17% higher testosterone. A tablespoon before bed supplies raw materials right as your body produces hormones during sleep. Men report stronger erections, more energy, and even less morning joint stiffness. Section 3. Coconut oil. Coconut oil works differently. Its medium-chain fats are turned into instant energy, fueling cell repair and hormone production overnight. It also keeps metabolism active while you sleep, helping testosterone production. Lauric acid in coconut oil reduces inflammation and supports healthier blood vessels. Start with a teaspoon in warm tea or straight from the spoon, and you may wake with more energy and firmer mornings. Section 4. Pumpkin seed oil. Pumpkin seed oil might be the most targeted oil for men's health. Rich in zinc, it fuels testosterone production and supports prostate health. Its phytosterols reduce nighttime urination, while delta-7 sterine helps balance hormones by limiting excess DHT. Just a teaspoon or two before bed strengthens urinary flow, prostate function, and sexual vitality. It tastes nutty, and men find it easy to enjoy nightly. Section 5. Black seed oil. Black seed oil, or black cumin, has been treasured for over 3,000 years. Modern studies show it boosts testosterone by protecting Leydig cells, the very cells that produce it. Its thymoquinone compound reduces oxidative stress and improves insulin sensitivity, two key barriers to hormone health in men over 50. A teaspoon before bed with honey or straight builds resilience, steadier energy, and better morning vitality. Section 6. Evening routine. Putting it together. The oils work best as a routine, not a one-time trick. Start with olive oil for the first week, then rotate. Maybe olive oil on some nights, pumpkin seed on others, coconut oil when you need energy, and castor oil 3 times weekly. This keeps your body supplied with nutrients for hormones, circulation, and repair. Just 1 spoonful nightly costs less than $1. But the impact can reshape your mornings. Section 7. Timeline of results. Week 1. Most men notice better sleep. By week 2 or 3, morning erections may return, firmer and more consistent. By month 2, energy, mood, and performance improve steadily. By month 3, vitality feels like the new normal. This isn't about quick fixes. It's about restoring balance, circulation, hormones, and prostate health, 1 spoonful at a time. Your mornings become something to look forward to again. Don't settle for decline. These oils have been trusted for generations and are now backed by science. A simple evening habit can restore the strength, energy, and confidence you thought were fading. Try it for 30 days. Pick 1 or 2 oils, stay consistent, and feel the difference for yourself. Sometimes all it takes to wake up stronger is a spoonful of the right oil.